In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Zomato. If you're on your phone, open the Zomato app. If you prefer a computer, head to the Zomato website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your account so the discount can be tied to your order and any ongoing offers show up correctly. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log in, then come back to your cart. Next, browse and add the food items you want. Build your cart the way you normally would. Choose restaurants, pick dishes, customize quantities, and check the subtotal. It's helpful to have your coupon code ready, but don't worry, you'll enter it at checkout. When you're happy with your selections, go to the checkout or payment screen. This is where Zomato lets you review everything before paying, and it's also where you'll find the place to apply discounts. Look for an option labeled Apply Coupon, Promo Code, or Offers. On the website, it might appear as a small link that says, Have a promo code. Click it to expand the entry box. The exact wording can vary slightly by version, but it's usually near the order summary or right above the payment methods. Tap or click that section. You'll see two paths. You can select an available offer that Zomato is already showing you, or you can enter a coupon code manually. If you're typing a code, enter it exactly as provided and watch out for extra spaces. Some offers have conditions like a minimum order value or restaurant exclusions, so if a code doesn't work, review the fine print shown on that screen. Once you've selected the offer or entered your code, tap Apply. Give it a second and the discount will appear before payment is completed. You should see the order total update and a line item showing the promotion or coupon value deducted. If you don't see any change, double-check the code, ensure your cart meets the offer requirements, or try another listed offer. Most offers can't be combined, so Zomato will apply the single promotion that qualifies with the best value. If you edit your cart afterward, glance back at the summary to make sure the discount still shows. Keep in mind, Zomato also auto-applies some promotions. That means discounts may already be visible in the offer section, even without entering anything manually. And you can simply confirm the one that gives you the best value. That's it. After the discount appears on the checkout screen, continue with your preferred payment method as usual and enjoy your meal with the savings applied.